Video 1 Intro. Pirates sailed the 7 seas in high fashion. So, for this try-on video series, I decided to design a pink pirate princess outfit. Her name is Pinktooth, and her outfit consists of 3 clothing layers and some accessories. This is the first video in a series of 4. In this video, we will be breaking down the lens project and inspecting the different elements inside of it. The project is available to download, and you can find the link in the description below. I worked with the Snapchat training team to create this tutorial. It is based on their online course named Developing Fashion Lenses for Virtual Try-On using Lens Studio. You can find the link for this course in the description below. Lens project breakdown. Cloth simulation skirt. At the top layer of the outfit, we have a pleated skirt with cloth simulation. Cloth simulation is not covered in the Snap AR try-on course, and it is not necessarily required for creating great try-on lenses. But I added cloth simulation for viewers who are a little bit more advanced. I selected the skirt object, and we can see the cloth script properties in the inspector panel. The script includes details of a body mesh, a material, simulation parameters, and collider guides. You can see the collider guides on the left as objects in the scene. We will learn about cloth simulation in the third video of the series. I will hide the skirt for now so we can better see what's below. Pin to mesh buttons. Pinktooth is a rich princess, and she has big gold buttons on her jacket and breeches. The buttons are attached to the garment with a pin to mesh script. Instead of adding all the buttons to the jacket mesh, I duplicated a single button object several times. I also reduced the button mesh to low poly and used a simple gold material with no textures. This helps to keep the lens size smaller. We will learn about the buttons in the fourth video, and I will hide them for now. Head binding pirate hat. The pink tricorn hat is decorated with sheep anchor shaped gold pins. The hat is a child in the hierarchy of a head mesh, which is a child of a head binding tracker. The head mesh has an occluder material to hide the back part of the hat. I will hide the head and the hat for now, and we will look at this in video number 4. Boots rigged to a body skeleton. The boots are rigged to a human skeleton in Blender. The skeleton structure matches the attachment points, which are listed in the body tracking asset. I am using one body tracking asset in the scene for the different body meshes. This gives the lens a better overall performance. We will see how I rigged and imported the boots in the third video. And for now, I will hide them. External mesh jacket and pants. The short pirate pants are called breeches. I imported the jacket and breeches as a single object, and I used the external mesh extension here. With external mesh, I'm replacing the full body mesh with my own 3D mesh. So there is no need to rig the garment to a skeleton outside of Lens Studio. And the external mesh automatically conforms to fit the tracked body. External mesh is a great addition to the Lens Studio capabilities. We will learn more about it in the second video. I will hide this object for now. Underclothing with full body mesh. Pinktooth is wearing an undershirt and underpants that are made from different fabrics. I used a single body mesh object for both underclothing items. I added opacity to the base map to only show the underclothing where needed and to prevent them from protruding through the other clothing items. We will see how to do this in the second video of the series. Body mesh occluder. I added another full body mesh object and I applied an occluder material to it. This occluder body, along with the underclothing object, are hiding the backside of the outfit. For example, we want to see the user's hands when they are in front of the outfit. We will learn more about occlusion in the second video. Body eraser. Behind the outfit and accessories, I added a body eraser effect. which can be found in the asset library. I created a custom opacity mask to hide everything except for the head, neck, and hands. Erasing the body and clothing in the background helps to display the outfit in a more realistic way. We will see how to do this in the fourth video. Project information and size. Before publishing the lens, it is important to look at the project size and provide the right project info. Although I added many different objects to the scene, you can see that the overall lens size is well within the recommended range. I kept it small by 1. Keeping the meshes with low polygon count, and 2. Reducing the texture resolution to 512 by 512 and compressing the images. In the project info window, I added the lens name, preview video, lens icon, and other items. The back camera is better for full body viewing, so I added a hint, although the lens works in both cameras. The project is ready for publishing, but I already did that. I would like to mention a couple of things regarding my process. Outfit design. Before even thinking about how to develop the lens, I first want to finalize the outfit design. I take some time to try the different ideas, but eventually I must lock on a design. We don't want to keep changing the design down the road and waste a lot of time doing that. When designing the outfit, I don't need to care about polygon count, texture size, or any technical considerations. I used Marvelous Designer for the clothing articles. I mostly used Blender for accessories. Finally, I got it all into Blender and I rendered some images that I shared for feedback. I think that it's a good idea to show work in progress to your community and only move into Lens Studio when you're happy with your design. Preview videos. Lens Studio comes with a good selection of preview videos, but I prefer to use my own. It is important to test your lens with different videos while developing, and to check that it works in different situations. I shared links to some preview videos that you can use in the description below. And by the way, yes, there is a giant tortoise walking behind my model. I have 2 Sulcata tortoises named Timmy and Tommy. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos in the series.